Austria, a land where mountain peaks touch the sky and every corner whispers history. Vienna, culture and royalty. Schönbrunn Palace, Vienna State Opera, coffee houses. Begin in Vienna, the elegant capital of music, art, and Habsburg splendor. Hallstatt, fairy tale village, colorful lakeside houses, swans gliding, mirror-like water reflections. Step into a postcard in Hallstatt, Austria's most enchanting lakeside town. Salzburg, Mozart and mountains, Mirabelle Gardens, Salzburg Fortress, classical street musicians. In Salzburg, let Mozart's melodies guide you through baroque charm and alpine magic. The Austrian Alps, adventure and nature. Skiing in Tyrol, hiking in summer, paragliding from peaks. Year-round adventure awaits. Ski world-class slopes or hike trails above the clouds. Innsbruck, city in the mountains. Old town streets with mountain backdrop. Colorful houses along the river. In Innsbruck, urban life blends seamlessly with breathtaking alpine landscapes. Wachau Valley, wine, castles, and river cruises. Danube River, vineyards, medieval castle ruins. Cruise the Danube and sip award-winning wines among ancient vines in the Wachau Valley. Zell Sea and lakes, crystal clear lake, kayaking, cycling around the water. Unwind by alpine lakes like Zell Sea, nature's perfect retreat. Culinary moments. Apple strudel being served, schnitzel on a plate, coffee and cake in Vienna. Taste the traditions. From creamy pastries to cozy alpine cuisine. Sunset over mountains, cozy alpine cabin, laughter with locals. Whether you seek culture, calm, or adventure, Austria has it all.